Hello my friends, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we're playing It Takes Two. And this is the first time where you can play both the first part and the second part of the duet. So what we're going to do is we're first going to play through the top line, then we're playing the lower line, and then at the end of this video we'll put it all together and we'll play the duet twice, where you first play the top line and on the second playing you play the lower line. Now in this song there is lots of opportunity for you to practice your fourth finger, so let's just practice that first before we play, and we'll play D 1 2 3 4 just to practice the fourth finger. Now when you play your fourth finger, soften up your thumb and you'll find it easier to get to the fourth finger. If you can't reach the fourth finger at all, it may be that your elbow is too far out to the side, so you may check that and bring your elbow under the violin. Secondly, if you can't reach the fourth finger, it may be that your wrist has gone this way, in which case you might push it out and it brings the tip of your pinky towards the string. So let's now first have a go at playing the top line, and we won't play the repeat, so we'll just play the top line in one go. 2 notes slurred, here we go. 1 2 3 4. At the end you can check if you are perfectly in tune by checking those 2 notes together. And if your finger is in the right place, these 2 notes should be a perfect match. Next, let's have a go at the lower of the 2 lines, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just play it through without the repeat. I'll count us in for 4. 1 2 3 4. Well done. Now if you find it tricky to reach the fourth finger straight up from the first finger, you can practice that. And then hopefully that bit 3 bars from the end will become a little bit easier. So now we're going to play this tune as a duet, and I want you to play the top line first. After we've played the top line, I want you to switch and play the lower line straight away. So I'll accompany you and do the opposite so that we get a duet where you get to play each of the parts. You play the top line first. I'll count us in for 4. 1 2 3 4. line. That was amazing. If you got that, I am so impressed with you. If you didn't quite make it today, that's okay. You have got time to learn it and to maybe brush up on parts where you lost it for a moment. And I think that you'll find that when you practice this a couple more days in a row, by the end of it, you'll find it so much easier and you will one day manage. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, have you subscribed to the channel? Please do so now. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Goodbye.